Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video I will show you and tell you how you can easily turn off the flashlight on your iPhone. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes under this video, write your comments. And let's get started. Okay friends, if you're like me, if you have your flashlight on at the moment, I'm going to show you a few ways you can easily turn it off. So if your phone is unlocked like mine is right now, you can swipe it from the left side from top to bottom. In order to open a window like this, then on the lock screen, you'll need to press and hold the flashlight icon at the bottom. Press and hold and wait for it to turn off. Also in the same way, friends, you can use if your phone is locked. And also on the lock screen you can press and hold this flashlight icon. Also friends, if your phone is unlocked, another method how you can turn off the flashlight is that you can swipe in the control center. To do this, you will need to swipe down from the right side. Go to the control center and here you'll find the flashlight widget and tap on it. This way you will turn it off, and in the same way you can turn it on. And the last method you can use is if you have an iPhone 15, let's say, or if you have an iPhone with a dynamic island right here. Then you can click on this island, which is near the front camera, and from there you can turn off the flashlight. With these methods, friends, you can easily turn off the flashlight on your iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful for you friends. Please put your likes, write your comments. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.